Firestarters are a must-have for your outdoor survival kit. After all, fire can be your closest anchor to life in the outdoors, especially in wet and cold conditions. You can cook over it, warm yourself by it, and a fire can be life-saving in a survival situation. It might go against the purist backwoodsman instinct, but there's nothing wrong with using a purpose-built tool to get your fire going. With a suitable fire starter in your hike, camp, or outdoor kit, setting up a campfire, backyard bonfire, or any other type of flame can be done in a matter of minutes, so long as you have the right fire starter on hand. Number 1. A portable survival campfire starter. Wolf and Grizzly made a compact and lightweight Ferrocerium Rod and StrikeForce to cut down on weight and get a straightforward, easy-to-use design. This little fire starter packs a real punch with 20,000 strikes, even though you'll probably only need 2 to get a fire started. One of the main issues with compact fire starters is the small surface area that makes it challenging to strike on. Wolf and Grizzly has found the fine line between too small and too big, with a 4.9-inch length and a width of just 0.8 inches. The StrikeForce is made of steel that's used for knives, so it sharpens in the same manner. Sharpen the StrikeForce when your sparks stop flying and watch them come back to life. In an emergency, the StrikeForce is connected to a paracord that can be taken apart to use the inner jute as tinder. The simplicity of this fire starter makes it the best fire starter on the market. It doesn't boast a crazy number of features, but performs well when put to the test. Material: Ferro rod, steel StrikeForce, paracord with jute core. Lifespan: 20,000 strikes. Size: 4.9 inch by 0.8 inch. Other features: emergency tinder, can be sharpened and stacked on the rod. Number 2. Traditional Ferro rod fire starter. If you're in need of a small portable fire starter, the Gerber Bear Grylls fire starter is a compact rod and StrikeForce. The Ferrocerium Rod and metal StrikeForce fit into a small storage compartment, just less than 5 inches, that has enough space to also hold tinder. Both handles are sturdy enough to provide a solid grip even with larger hands. The tool has been tested to provide a spark for more than 8,000 strikes. The kit also comes with a lanyard, emergency whistle, and a pocket survival guide. Number 3. StrikeForce fire starter with tinder. The StrikeForce is the bulkiest and one of the heaviest starters we tested. So why is it our top pick? Though it's certainly not for ultralighters, the StrikeForce is incredibly easy to use and makes great use of space. Unmatched reliability aside, the flint-based starter is housed in a durable waterproof case. The case doubles as a handy storage compartment for tinder and comes with a lanyard as well. Though it's flint-based, the length and width of the rod makes for lots of big happy sparks that ensure a quick switch fire. The fires we lit with the StrikeForce were consistently instantaneous, making this a great tool for both beginners and emergency situations. Dimensions: 5-inch L by 1.5-inch W by 1D, and weighs 3.7 oz. Durable. The flint-based bar will last up to 4,000 strikes, and the StrikeForce is built into the detachable cap to protect the flint and prevent unintended part. Number 4. Exotac nanoSTRIKER XL. T Ultimate Keychain Companion, the nanoSTRIKER. Its tiny size makes it an easy addition to your pocket for those in a pinch situations. But its high price point is definitely something to guffaw at, especially since small size equates to difficult usability and a shorter lifespan. Surprisingly, despite its size, it's not even the lightest StrikeForce we tested. While the nanoSTRIKER is cute and ultimately does make sparks fly, unless you're looking for a base for your car keys or a good gift for a survivalist aficionado, I don't recommend it. Exotac's nanoSTRIKER XL features a unique compact, collapsible strike tool design and a waterproof ferro rod that supplies the most prodigious spark for its size. Survival essentials are key to any supply pack. Carry this gear anywhere. Number 5. Multi-tool fire starter. Convenient design, keychain tool carabiner design, great for everyday use. It's very lightweight at only 1 ounce, great for camping and hiking. The firebinder's versatile design is great for starting a fire, clipping to a backpack, carrying keys, opening bottles while out and about, and much more. 6-in-1 multi-tool. Fire starter, carabiner, bottle opener, screwdriver, utility blade, keychain holder. Great gift. A perfect gift for friends and family. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts to take on camping adventures. Unique, easy-to-use survival tool. Convenient for everyday carry, EDC. Patented. Durable and long-lasting. Stainless steel body is rated to carry up to 100 pounds of gear. The Ferro rod will last over 2,000 sparks. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description.